Art is multifunctional, which can reflect cultures, activities from people around the place. The artists have designed their works as a part of social mechanism that function beyond the aesthetic value. I am an Assistant Professor, Dr. Sirithorn Srichalakom. I am the Associate Dean of Faculty of Fine and Applied Art, Chulalongkorn University. We did 3 projects about the arts and the community around Chula property. We start with the Chula Art Town, which is about 50 paintings, mural arts, street art, graffiti, include some famous artists' work like Alex Fest. They use arts as a tool, so people turn to be artists in their own community. CUI4C. We got support from the Jula Property Management Office, who give us a room that turned to be a gallery. So it's a space for students, teachers, and all the people in the community can enjoy the art curated by our professors, our teachers. And the latest one is the Chula Art Park, which is innovation between the sculpture and the installation art. And we built a lot of innovation movement into the community, so it can help us improve the economic traffic in the local society. So all the projects that we did, we've been collaborated with the government funding, Chulalongkorn University funding, the private sectors, and also the international art foundation like Japan Foundation, Goethe Institute, Ministry of Culture Taiwan to be develop all this process to be able to invite the artists to work with us and also to be able to support us with the space, with understanding of the art from the local community who allow us to use their own house, their own office, their own restaurants as a space for the art. Art is for people, and people in our community can become a part of the works of art. Some artists like to integrate people's story and the cultures from surrounding area into the art. Each project have its own highlight, which is so different. Each of them have a QR code. You can do the scan and will come up as an AR, or you can follow us at Google Art and Culture and type Chula Art Park or Chula Art Town. All the information is uploaded as a gallery. Another project of our faculty is FarmMy Digital Arts Hub. It's funded by the university's Second Sanitary Fund or C2F. FarmMy aims to facilitate the works and studies of digital artists, teachers, and students. Art is a visual language utilized by artists, students, and art lovers for communication. Everyone can learn, participate, and share among friends, communities, and beyond. The main concept of Faculty of Fine and Applied Arts Community Arts projects is to elevate this district into an international arts and innovation district. We want to promote creative tourism while establish local businesses in the process, building an awareness to general public on the value of community way of life around this area. The ultimate goal is to model a prototype community that provides inspiration and sustainable quality of life. So we would love to invite everyone to visit our arts projects for community.